Ryan Brown from J. Ryan Brown Law. What are the three main standardized field sobriety tests in a DUI case? We're going to talk about those today. 1, horizontal gaze nystagmus, HGN for short, or as Hunter Rogers from our office calls it, here goes nothing. We'll talk about that. 2, one-leg stand, right? Dog and pony show on the side of the road, blue lights flashing, 18-wheelers going by, also ridiculous. And number 3, the walk and turn, very famous, perhaps the most famous one of walk the imaginary line. What are these tests? These are tests that are designed to fail. You cannot pass them. They give officers cues or clues into whether someone is impaired, so they say, and that's what they would testify at trial. And there are 3 main ones. The first is horizontal gaze nystagmus. The officer is going to have someone follow the tip of their stimulus, oftentimes a pen or a fingertip. There are strict guidelines on how they're supposed to do that. Make sure your lawyer's talking to you about whether they conducted the HGN examination on you correctly. 2 is the one-leg stand, where they have you stand on one leg, hands by your side, raise 1 foot off the ground, count to 30. All of these things is very difficult to do. Again, it's not a pass-fail. There's very, honestly, frankly, no reason someone should be doing it on the side of the road. 3, walk and turn, walk the imaginary line, 9 steps, heel to toe, series of small steps to turn around, 9 heel toe steps back, hands by your side. It's very difficult. You only get the instructions usually once from the officer. The officer's not demonstrating these to completion, and again, these are designed for someone to fail, and if you refuse to participate in them, that cannot be used against you at a trial. You cannot lose your license for refusing to do these field sobriety tests. You can lose your license in a situation for refusing to give a chemical test, but these standard field sobriety tests, the HGN, the one-leg stand, the walk and turn, very little reason, if any reason, I can't think of any, that someone should be doing them on the side of the road. It's a complete farce by government to try to get you to incriminate yourself, and you should not do that. If you have questions about DUIs in general, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have questions about your DUI case, call us at 470-635-1725.